I'm going to show you how to make Nam Prik Num and Nam Prik Ong, a northern Thai staple, and make it into this beautiful platter of crudité. Hi friends, this is Hong Thai Bee. Welcome to Thai Me Cooking Club. I'm going to show you how to make a Thai crudité. I'm going to show you how to make Nam Prik Num and Nam Prik Ong. Nam Prik Num is a beloved chili dip from northern Thailand, celebrated for its smoky, spicy, and earthy flavors. It is made with roasted green chilies, but could be substituted with other kind of sweet peppers, just like what I do in this video. All you have to do is to roast all the key ingredients and pound that in stone mortar, or if you don't have one, just put that in a blender, but just, gently coarse it and make it a good texture, but not puree. Then you season with fish sauce or salt and a squeeze of lime if you wish, or a splash of nam platter. Again, when it comes to cooking, is to your own taste. Make it your own flavors that you love the most. Sound good? Here we go. Nam Prik Num for ya. Let's set this aside and make Nam Prik Ong, Northern Thai tomato and chili dip. First thing first, we have to make the paste, and the paste consists of dry chilies that I soak in warm water for about 15 minutes or so to let the texture soften. Then I squeeze all the water out, of course, with the help of the kitchen glove, because you never ever wanted to touch the chilies with your bare hands. Then add in the lemongrass and cilantro root. Cilantro root actually is a key ingredient in lots of Thai cooking, but unfortunately it's hard to find. But I don't let that stopping me from making this one. Then add on some garlic and keep on pounding. You got it, my friends? And if you don't have a stone mortar and pestle at home, you can surely make this paste in a blender. Now it's time to add in chopped shallots. My kitchen in New York City right now smells so much just like home in Thailand. That's what I mean when I say cooking is very therapeutic, because truly it relaxes your mind, it keeps you meditating, it keeps you, to enjoy the presence, and I think that you guys should do more of it and take care of your health too. Now it is time for the star of the show, the fermented soybean disc, or tuanao. Well, if you cannot find that, which I think it is quite a rare item, it's okay. You can substitute that with fermented soybean or miso. That will do the trick as well. Add in the protein of choice, the most popular in Thailand for this dish are pork and chicken. And today I'm using with ground chicken because it is a tomato dip after all. It's time to incorporate tomato into the paste. And my friends, cut it in half before you put in, okay? Don't repeat my mistake. Chef makes mistakes too, okay? All right, now it's time to cook the paste. So all you have to do is just heat up the oil and bring in the garlic, bring in the paste that we made earlier, add in extra tomatoes, saute that until the protein cooked through, and incorporate with the flavors of the tomatoes. Add in the water or chicken stock if your paste become a little bit dry. Season with fish sauce, or if you wish, you could do that with platter. And here we go, Nam Prik Ong. Now that our two Nam Priks are done, let's prep our veggies. Let's talk about crudité. Yes, it is a French term pronounced crudité. Crudité refers to raw or lightly blanched vegetables, typically served with dips. This concept is perfect for my Thai background because we love to pair Nam Prik with lots of fresh vegetables. Here's my technique, my friends. I start by laying down a base of leafy greens, creating a beautiful green bed. Then I paint with colors, layering the vegetables like constructing a piece of art, carrots here, cauliflowers there, and then goes the same thing with cucumber, but in this case, the crunchy base would be the beets. Candy cane beets. In this video, I'm working with gorgeous farm fresh vegetables from my friend Farmer Lee Jones. Of course, you can use any vegetables you find at your local farm stands or supermarkets. But if you're curious about these lovely vegetables, I've included a link in the description for you. Finally, I'm plating Nam Prik Num and Nam Prik Ong to complete the masterpiece. Isn't it stunning? I'm going to take it into this beautiful crudité board. First thing first, let's taste Nam Prik Ong. And the beets. Sorry, I'm double dipping. At least with this spoon. The flavor is very umami-ish with a touch of tomatoes. And the freshness of this candy cane beet. Nothing can beat this right now. Now let's try with Nam Prik Num. Let's grab a leafy green. Roasted garlic shine through. It's not that spicy because we use a sweet chili. Just so crisp and so fresh and so good. I want to show you how to be better in your kitchen with my Thai twist. And if you like my content in my video, if you like my video, please subscribe and support so that we can keep these creative things going together. So we can keep cooking awesome food together. But for now, bye. สวัสดีค่ะ
Carrots.
No, because this is a finishing touch. Okay?